Next up is Boeing. We ended the week at 190.52. The middle of the trend takes us to now 191.31. We could chop sideways here. This is resistance and a potential take profit area. If we get past that, 195.68 is another level I'm looking at. This is resistance, a potential take profit area. I would stop there, but down the road, 197.86, and then fingers crossed, $200, and the 1-year price target is 273.83, which represents a 43.73% return. To the south side, -2 SD 187.03, stop loss area. This gap closes at 186.76, 184.82, and this closes out at 182.76 at -4 SD. Now looking left, as you can see, we are still in a downward channel. Last week we were at 195.12. We had pops where you could get out at resistance and then buy in at support. And look at that, we cratered down to here and then stopped at a line I've already marked in 2025. But we have a gap. Whenever we reverse course, that will take us to 205.77. Many gaps to the upside, and as you can see, many gaps, Command Z to undo a mistake, to the south side. I know there are plenty of lines here. It looks like a hot mess, but all the purple lines are from 2025. The yellow lines, which we are reversing back to, are from 2024. One day I shall delete it all. Not right now. Next up. Oh, by the way, the middle of the trend could take us down to 182.40 for this upcoming week, and then the outer bands here, 173.73. Okay, that's Boeing. Tesla. Everything is cratering, or so it seems. 29.20 is where we ended. Resistance and the middle of the trend is now at 29.38. We could chop sideways in this channel or go past it at 30.21, and then down the road 30.62, 31.04. Support